Hello, this is probably the nearest you'll get to an unboxing video from me for the time being, but the post has just been delivered and it's a very heavy package from the CDI. Oh my god, it must be my award. This is really, really exciting. I'm gonna unbox. It's thing. I'll see if I can do it here. I tried to sort of start because it looked like it was very well packed, and yeah, I got my pink scissors. For those of you that don't know, my office is all pink and I have pink everything, absolutely pink everything. And although when I plan to move, my office is unlikely to be pink. Right, oh god, it's going to slip out, it's going to slip out. Oh, it's heavy, it's heavy, it's heavy, it's heavy. Oh, it's heavy. It's in a white box. It's in a blue box. Oh, we like blue boxes. And oh wow, look at this. Oh, look at this. This is, let's see if you see it. The light in here is not great. Wow, it says UK CDA 2022 research by a career development practitioner, Suzanne Collier. So it's actually you. If you participated in the bookcareers.com salary survey 2021, this award is for you. Thank you so very much to the CDI, to everybody that participated, supported me in any way. Wow, thank you. I'm going to find a good place on the shelf behind me. I think there's a little spot right up there. Does that work? I think that works. I think that does work because I think you see it every time I'm on camera. If not, I'll shift it. But thank you. Have a great day.